In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage a team using only the Evernote mobile app. It's important to start with one key limitation, so expectations are clear right away. Evernote Mobile does not support managing spaces, and it also doesn't let you directly assign tasks to specific team members the way the desktop or web versions do. Those features are limited to the desktop and browser experience. So if you're working entirely from your phone or tablet, the best approach is to use a simple workaround based on shared notebooks and a clear tagging system. The first part of this setup is replacing spaces with shared notebooks. Since you can't create or manage spaces on mobile, shared notebooks become your main team workspace. The goal here is to create one central notebook that everyone can access and update. To do that, create a master notebook and name it after your project. Choose a name that's clear and easy for the whole team to recognize. This notebook will act as the shared home for project notes, meeting updates, action items, and progress tracking. Keeping everything inside one clearly named notebook makes it much easier to stay organized, especially when multiple people are viewing it on mobile. Once the notebook is created, share it from the mobile app, find the notebook, tap the three dots next to its name, and choose the option to share the notebook. From there, add your team members so they can access the project notebook on their own devices. This step is essential because it turns an individual notebook into a collaborative space your team can actually use from mobile. When you share it, make sure the permissions are set correctly. You'll want to give your team can edit access so they're able to contribute updates, add notes, and keep information current. If the permissions are too limited, people may be able to view the notebook but not participate fully, which defeats the purpose of using it as a team management system. Giving edit access allows the notebook to function more like a shared project hub. Now that the team has a common workspace, the next part is replacing direct task assignment with a tagging structure. Because the mobile app doesn't include a dedicated Assign Task button in the task menu, tags become the easiest way to delegate work and track who is responsible for what. Start by creating owner tags. These are tags that identify the person responsible for a note or action item. A simple naming style works best here, such as using initials or a short label that begins the same way each time. The reason consistency matters is that it makes filtering much easier later. If every owner tag follows the same format, team members can quickly find the notes that belong to them without confusion. After that, create status tags. These tags show the stage of the work, such as to do, in progress, or done. Status tags are useful because they add context at a glance. Instead of just knowing who owns a note, the team can also see whether the work still needs to start, is currently being handled, or has already been completed. That makes the shared notebook much more useful as a lightweight task board. With both sets of tags in place, begin organizing your notes. For each meeting note, action item note, or project update, apply one owner tag and one status tag. This creates a simple but effective structure. One tag shows responsibility and the other shows progress. Together, they turn ordinary notes into trackable work items without needing Evernote's desktop-only assignment tools. Once notes are tagged consistently, each team member can filter the shared notebook by their specific owner tag in the mobile app to see what belongs to them. That becomes their personal workload view. They can also look at the status tags to understand what still needs attention and what has already moved forward. This workaround isn't the same as full desktop task management, but it's practical, clear, and mobile-friendly. If your team sticks to the shared notebook and uses tags consistently, you can manage collaboration effectively right from the Evernote mobile app.